Listen, Senpai, I don't really care whether you guys recognize me as a boy or a girl. In my opinion, it's more important for a person to be recognized for who they are rather than for what sex they are.
先輩たちが男と思っているなら別にそれでもいいかなと。どうも自分は男とか女の意識が人よりも低いらしくて。
炎の周りを燃やすきっと天国と地獄のスリル。
I mean, if I was to look at her and guess what she smells like, I would definitely say fish.
Oh, Trisha, what is that? What have you been eating? Is that a tuna sandwich again? She keeps moving. Nico, lol, I wonder what that means.
No, that's fine.
She was showing me her shoes.
Okay, no.
I wanted to look at her shoes.
I'm rewinding that.
What up, baby? Alright, we're gonna get it this time. You ready? You ready?
Fine.
Yes, I've failed it 15 times so far. What about it? Okay.
You're gonna do card swipe in front of everyone.
I failed it so
I don't
many
think you would.
times.
Just give me all the bacon and eggs you have. Wait. I worry what you just heard was, give me a lot of bacon and eggs. What I said was, give me all the bacon and eggs you have. Do you understand?
What's your favorite idea? Mine is being creative.
How do you get that idea?
I just try to think creatively.
Well, if your theory is correct, I mean, if any of your theories are correct, don't you think you should step away from the edge? I wouldn't want you to slip and suddenly not ever be here again. And not ever be you, right?
Did you really think you could make me lose my cool? Well, Dash and I have 10 times as much cool as the rest of you put together. Come on, Dash. We're bailing on this pathetic scene. Come on, Rainbow Dash. I said we're leaving.
And you, Rose Tyler, fell how good you were, you gave up on me. Oh, that's rude. That's what man I am now, like rude. Rude and not ginger.
It's a bit rubbish. How many prisms has it got? Way too many. The magnification's gone right over the top. That's a stupid kind of... Am I being rude again?
Yep.
But it's pretty. It's very pretty.